Hey guys, welcome to my September 2021 net worth update. This has been a wild month. The S&P 500 ended September as the worst month for the markets since March of 2020. I saw major losses across the board in all of my accounts. And as always, I'll show you guys all the numbers, whether it be good or bad. So if you're ready, let's get into it. On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. Okay, let me start off with a quick refresher on how net worth is calculated. You add up all your assets, like your cash, stocks, and home equity, then subtract all your liabilities, like your student loans, credit cards, and car loans. The resulting number is your net worth. And know that it is possible to have a negative net worth. Here, I track all my assets in different categories. At the top, I have all my cash accounts. Starting with my emergency fund. I try to keep a $1,000 cash emergency fund at any given time. Last month, I had to dip into this a bit, but I got it topped off. Next are my various checking and savings accounts. First is my main checking account with Chase Bank. I did get my bonus from work this month, and I spoke about in my other videos how I have a cash stockpile so I can be ready in case the market continues to dip further. My tenants also left a few weeks ago, and I will have to give them back their security deposit once I finish all the repairs at the rental property. Lastly, I'm also finalizing my home sale, so there will be various taxes and fees I'll have to pay to complete the transaction. Below that, we have my BECU savings account. Cash in this account is used to pay off my credit card bill every month. I recently paid off my school payments, and I only put cash in here once a month to pay bills, so there's only about $140 in there currently. The third account is my Capital One 360 money market account. This is a high interest savings account that is used for my mortgage automatic payments. I pulled $5,000 from this account back into my checking, and there's only about $1,900 left in this account for my last mortgage payment. Once the house sale is completed, I will be closing this account altogether. I'm trying to downsize on the number of accounts I have, just to simplify things. Lastly is my Yada Bank high interest savings account. This is my main emergency fund that I don't touch. Since I won't have a mortgage payment anymore, this $5,000 is enough to cover about 4 months worth of basic expenses. I know many people want to buy a house, but I do have to say it's kind of freeing knowing I won't have a mortgage payment anymore. I actually have no issues with being a renter either. Alright, so that's all my cash accounts. In total, I have $23,107.37 in cash right now. And I plan to keep all the profits from my house sale in cash accounts and deploy it slowly over the next year or two instead of dumping it all into the market at once. I will have a lot of taxes to worry about when tax season comes back around, so I need to keep some cash around for that as well. Moving on, we have my investment accounts. As I mentioned earlier, this was the worst month for stocks since the beginning of the pandemic. I took big hits in most of my accounts. The first one is my Chase brokerage account. I don't invest any money in here besides the reinvested dividends. This account is tech heavy and it dropped nearly 8% from $42,400 down to $39,000 this month. Next is my Fire Fund account in Robinhood. This account looks like it actually increased in value from $70,000 up to $73,000, but that's because I actually invested over $4,000 this month into the account. It's actually down about $1,000 right now. I will be deploying a large amount of cash into this account once I have the funds for my home sale because this is also my options trading account. I want to have about $20,000 in cash in this account that I can use to generate weekly income. The rest will all be invested in my quadfecta stocks. If you want to see exactly what I invest in, you can join me every Friday on my Fire Fund Friday series, or check out my quadfecta strategy video that I've linked in the description below. My goal is to have this account break 6 figures by the end of the year. The next account is my Fidelity ESPP account. An ESPP account, or Employee Stock Purchase Plan account, is an account where I store cash from every paycheck, and once every quarter, I get to purchase company stock at a 10% discount. I currently max out my company's ESPP plan, and September 30th was the end of the quarter, so Fidelity used all the cash in the account to purchase company stock. That's why the account is sitting at 0 right now. Below the ESPP account is my Fidelity brokerage account. This account stores all my company stock that I buy or get vested. Vesting is when my stock rewards from bonuses get deposited into my account. When you work for a company, you don't get stock bonuses immediately. They are usually paid out over a few years. My company's stock took one hell of a beating this month, but I believe in this company and it's one of my long-term holdings. This account's value went down from $81,500 to $79,300. Lastly, here we have my BlockFI account where I store my crypto. I don't own much anymore, but I am considering starting back up to invest a little bit every month. And I will store it all in my BlockFi account because it does pay me interest monthly in the form of more crypto. So if you guys have some and you want to start earning interest on it, either in the form of cash or more crypto, you can check out my BlockFi referral link in the description below, and we can both get $10 in free Bitcoin. My taxable investment accounts dropped from $200,000 to just under $195,000 this month. My last investment account that I have is my 401k. A good chunk of my bonus got invested into this account. That's why the value looks like it has increased from $113,000 to $114,000. But this account is consisted of S&P 500 and Russell 1000 index funds, so it actually took a big hit of around $4,000. The last section here on my list of assets is my home value. I list the appraised value of $506,000 and the Zillow estimate. The housing market has calmed down a bit, as you can see here in the drop in Zillow estimate, but I don't use that Zillow estimate in my net worth calculation. All of this brings my total liquid assets to $332,992.37, and when I include my home equity, it is at just under $839,000. That's it for the assets. Let's walk through my liabilities. You can see a large drop in my BECU credit card balance. I had to pay for my fall quarter of school last month on this card, and this month I paid that balance off. We're now sitting at $994 because I did splurge a little bit this month since I got my bonus and let myself buy a few parts for my project car. Below that, we have my Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. I have a payment schedule for October 4th, so that's why it's still sitting at $1,400 for the month of September. I do plan on paying this card off completely by the end of November, because this card offers only 1 year of interest-free payments, and that year is about to expire. After this, the card should sit around zero balance, but I may use it to auto pay some bills, just so this line of credit doesn't get closed due to inactivity. Lastly is my mortgage. October is my last mortgage payment. This balance will drop to zero by next month. While I won't have this mortgage anymore, I don't ever think I will be truly debt-free because I have no problem using my credit card and paying off the monthly balance before the due date every month. The cashback is nice. I don't have annual fees for any of my cards. If you know how to properly use credit cards and not drown yourself in consumer debt, I think it's fine to have a credit card. My total debts for September 2021 is right around $311,000. So, for the month of September 2021, my total assets are $838,992.37, and my total liabilities are at $311,053.39, bringing my total net worth to $527,938.98, an increase of $4,531.09 over last month, which is only a 0.89% growth. We are still above our net worth goal for the month, but my monthly net worth increase goal is a minimum of 2% plus $4,000, so we did not meet the goal for this month. September was the worst month for stocks in all of 2021, and I'm hoping to see a nice bounce back next month. That's it for our September 2021 net worth update. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is one of my favorite videos to make because I get to share my overall progress with all of you. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, and you'll be notified about the giveaway that's coming up soon. As always, thanks for taking the time to join me here. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.